How to enable VPN on Opera GX Mobile. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to install your Opera GX mobile application first and foremost, which is easily available in your Play Store or App Store. Once installed, just tap open on it and make sure to log in or sign up an account. Now in your Opera GX, when you tap on the Opera logo, you will see there is no VPN option. If you go ahead and select on the settings option, you will see there is no external connection option or any other VPN related keyword. This is because the current version of your Opera GX does not support the VPN connection yet. However, you can try to connect your VPN externally and try to run your Opera GX. Maybe that could work. Now, if you face any of the glitch or a bug issue in your Opera GX, follow this next step. Open up your settings, then from here scroll down and select the option of apps. Select all apps. Tap on the search icon, search for your Opera GX. Force stop it first and foremost, tap on OK. Head to storage and cache and clear up the cache. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.